guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing for you guys this smoky winged look. Very easy, very simple to do. Did it using the ABH Sultry Palette, which this packaging just, you know. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this smoky eye tutorial, I don't know what else to call it, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Okay guys, so that is the finished look right here. Simple, smoky, winged look. Not exactly spring appropriate, but I think you can wear smoky eye looks year round. So if you guys enjoyed seeing this quick tutorial from me, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any future videos that I upload here on my channel. I upload 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.